Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress header transparent. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and then to Appearance, followed by Customize. Many contemporary themes include a dedicated header section within the customizer. Here, you can often find options to adjust the header's background color and opacity. Look for a setting that allows you to set the background to fully transparent or adjust its alpha value to 0. Next, if you are using a page builder such as Elementor or Divi, achieving a transparent header is quite straightforward. Access your header template within the page builder interface. Select the header section or container, then locate its style or background settings. You can typically set the background color to transparent or use a color picker with an opacity slider. Remember to adjust your logo and navigation link colors for optimal contrast against the content below. For those comfortable with code, custom CSS offers precise control. You will need to identify the CSS class or ID of your header element using your browser's developer tools. Then go to Appearance, Customize, and Additional CSS in your WordPress dashboard. Add a rule like header background color, transparent, position, absolute, width, 100%. You might also need to adjust the z-index and ensure your header content, like the logo and menu items, has appropriate colors for readability. Finally, several WordPress plugins are designed specifically to help you create transparent headers without coding. Search the plugin repository for transparent header to find suitable options. Regardless of your method, always prioritize user experience. Ensure your logo and navigation links are clearly visible against any background content. Thoroughly test your transparent header on various screen sizes, from desktop to mobile, to guarantee a consistent and professional appearance for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.